Hi, how's everyone? I'm gonna be doing a quick and easy 5-minute makeup tutorial. So I'm just gonna be showing you what I'll be doing and what products I'll be using, and it's not gonna take long. This is the Misha. You can get this on TikTok, and I have been using this. It's so easy. People wear it like this. I'm just gonna show you how I put it on. It goes all over the face and up in my forehead. I'm gonna make sure I get it all around, and it's so close, natural to my skin tone. That's why I love it so much. And everybody that has tried it and that has used it, this is the way they use it. No brush, no little sponge. It's so much easier just to use it like this. You go everywhere in the face. I'll be using both hands to spread it out. Of course, I have to get on the top of the eye up here to even it out too. After I got everything, I will be putting an eyeliner. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click on the notification bell when I'm on. Okay, so this is the I Love Revolution. This is the eyeshadow. I'm just gonna be putting a little bit over here. This is quick, just to give a little color to my face. I have a mirror here to watch what I'm doing, and in the top I put the darker color, so it's this one. Now I am gonna be using the light pink one to put it above over here on my face and over here. Might not see it too much because my skin tone is a little dark, but there, that's it. Now I will be using, this is the Maybelline. Put a little bit of on my mouth. Just the outline and rubbing it in. And that's it. Just rubbing it in. Okay, now I will be using the pencil, and I will be using the pencil on the bottom. Just a little bit, just to give it just a little bit of, it's like a splash, like that. And in the corner of the eye, in the bottom. See? Just making my eyes stand out a little bit. And that's it. Now I will be using mascara. So this is Eye on Me. I will be using this one. It actually lifts up my eyebrows. I like to put them in the bottom and pick it up like that. As you can see in the bottom, and then lifts up. Now get the other side and do the same thing. What I am going to use, this is the Wet n Wild Mega. It's the pink one. But the reason why I use it is because I like to use it for my eyebrows to shape it. And it gives it a better look. You see both of them? And then the other one, I do the same thing. And that's it. It's so simple, but these products could get you out of your house when you need to go. Just like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. And so share this video. Bye for now.